Hey guys, it's Eden and Olivia.
Today we're going to show you how to make this borax and glue free and
Slime.
Slime, but it's fluffy slime, and it's actually, you're not gonna believe it, shaving cream free too. So this is a really cool, fluffy slime.
And guys, I'm going to show y'all how to make a hand sanitizer.
Pretty much, yeah, a normal bowl, and it's like, here's my hand compared to it. So I get it just to like fill the bottom, like Olivia did.
I'll tell you when to stop.
And
Some baking soda and corn.
Baking
Okay,
soda.
that's enough.
Okay, do I stir it in or do I
Yes, stir. And then add some cornstarch.
So it's starting to get
Like a lot of cornstarch.
like a lot, but
Not too much. That's fine. Here, can I add the cornstarch for you? I want to show you how much you need. Okay.
okay.
That was fine.
For you.
Yeah. Ready?
Working.
Okay, here. Wait.
Wait, can I mix it?
Yeah, but you just made it go everywhere at first. So I was just helping you. Then you'll need some contact solution.
Not too much.
Good. Oh. So she keeps mixing and mixing. And now she's going to take it and put it on the parchment paper.
But it doesn't have the blue stuff. It needs more blue stuff.
No, it's fine. Once you take it out and leave with it, that's easy. So guys, I don't think y'all can. Well, like mine kind of turned a little orange. Okay.
See, it's not getting like that.
Here.
Yeah.
So add some more Dawn.
Okay, make sure to have enough Dawn. Then probably gonna add a little bit more baking soda.
Okay. Yep, that's enough. That's enough. Then it's gonna start to form. So now, Eden, you can start making the slime.
Okay.
It's working for me. Some of it.
So you really need this to make sure that it all sticks together. Otherwise, you'll just have these crumbles. So make sure to mix it nicely. And just add as much as needed till all the clumps go together. Take away these clumps. So it's starting to become something nice. Okay.
Here, and then, now the last little ingredient you need.
Just a little bit. Not too much.
Okay.
Don't add too much cornstarch, but
Okay, now
Should
you
add
can
in
start taking it out and kneading with it.
as long as there aren't bumps left, like there.
Yeah. And guys, if y'all can see my slime, this is how y'all slime should turn out later.
Yeah, but make sure that there's no bumps left, otherwise it won't turn out.
Yeah.
Olivia, can you like hold the bowl?
Oh, I think I know what happened. There. It's also hard to stir because you don't really have a liquid in there.
Yep, it's starting to turn out.
Turning out like mine. Okay, I think now you're ready to play with it because you also have that stuff.
Okay. Oh wow, so yeah, I like it how it is.
Yeah.
So here's how mine
Can
turned
I
out.
use a little bit?
Yeah. So it turned out a little bit different than hers, but it feels absolutely amazing.
Yes, guys, especially mine. Both of ours feel really good.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is like so like squishy. This is my favorite slime. I love it. It's so nice.
And hard at the same time.
Well, yeah, because it's like got a stopping point.
Yeah.
Or is that Star Wars?
Yeah.
Star Wars. Do you like Star Wars?
The new one's PG-13.
I know.
I'm still gonna watch it.
I still watch it too. Okay, so yeah.
How is yours so wet?
Well, it looks kind of wet, but it's still like foamy, like really foamy, and we didn't even add any baking soda. I mean, it's just the top.
We didn't even.
I mean, we didn't even add any.
use baking soda.
What is it? The shaving cream.
Yeah.
And how did I don't know how. Oh, did you put in that soap stuff? Maybe that's it.
I added in cornstarch, and the cornstarch wasn't wrong about the corn part. I'm gonna turn on the light because it's hard making sound.
Wow, this is so cool.